it's me again, Raisin, and I'm back with another video. Welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'm finally going to be sharing with you guys my skincare routine. So a lot of you guys have been commenting that I should film one, so I got you. So just a little insight, my skin is dry to normal and I get redness around my nose. And then I also get pimples from time to time. And then for facial, I go to the derma once every few months for a facial. So that's about it. And fun fact, I only started investing my precious time and effort into my skincare mid last year, 2017. Because I used to not give a shit about my skin at all. Like after a long night or after a long day or a night out, I would just go to bed without cleaning my makeup because sobrang pagod and sobrang tamad ko na, I swear. That was me before. But people change and oh, and before I start, I'm not a skin expert or a dermatologist because different people have different kinds of skin. So what works for me might not work for you. So yeah, this is just the version that works for my skin and its needs. So that's about it. Let's start.
So I start by wearing a headband to make sure that my hair is out of the way and I can focus on my face. Then I start to remove my makeup with my makeup remover, and you can get this in any SM department store. And I just put this on a cotton pad and wipe that all over my face.
Yeah, we could pull up when it's snowing, and we could tuck in to be cozy. Yeah, I gather the kids and the cousins, we sleeping right in.
When I'm finally done removing my makeup, I use a facial wash to remove all the excess makeup and dirt. And I really like this because it's not that harsh and it really cleanses my skin without drying it.
Yeah, I gather the kids and the cousins, they sleeping right in. Sitting by the fire again, sitting by the fire again.
Ay nako, smart me got wet. And then I move on to exfoliate my face. And I don't do this every day, I just do this 2 times a week. So I just put a few drops on my palm and then I apply that all over my face. This will sting a bit in the first few seconds, but after a while it will go away. And I just let it sit on my face for about 10 minutes, and you can't go over 10 minutes because you will die. I'm just kidding, no. But that's what it says on the box. Then I just wash it off with warm water and my skin feels brand new, fresh and soft. Then on nights that I don't exfoliate my face, I apply a face mask. I apply a mask roughly once a week or twice, but that's if I don't forget. I'm not really a fan of face masks, but if I do apply, this is what I use. And I love this because it smells so good. It smells like coconuts. And I just use a brush to apply that all over my face. And I leave it on for about 20 minutes.
Sitting by the fire again, sitting by the fire again. Yeah, we could pull up when it's snowing, we could tuck in till we cozy. Yeah, I gather the kids and the cousins, they sleeping right in. Sitting by the fire again, yeah, sitting by the fire again. Yeah, by the fire.
Then I apply a toner. I really like this toner because again, it's not that harsh and it's really hydrating.
Hold me pull up, do it all again. By the fire, toast the by the fire. Hold my hand, toast the by the fire. Got the mocha by the fire. Hold me pull up, do it all.
Then to add some hydration to my face, I'm just gonna put on some hyaluronic acid. And don't be scared just because the word acid is in this product, because it's really just water. Then for more hydration, I'm just gonna apply this oil to my face. And I've been using this for a few weeks now, and I like it because it's cheaper. But this one is also so great. I've been using this for a year now. And this is the first thing I bought when I decided to invest more in my skincare.
Yeah, I gather the kids and the cousins, we sleeping right in.
Then I just lock that in with my favorite moisturizer.
Yeah, we could pull up when it's snowing, and we could tuck in to be cozy.
Then time to moisturize my luscious lips.
Sitting by the fire again, sitting by the fire again.
And then I finish it off with a facial spray.
We could tuck in to be cozy. Yeah, gather the kids and the cousins, they sleeping right in.
So that's about it for today's video. So those are the products that work well for my skin. I will link all of the products that I've mentioned down in the description box. So thank you guys so much again for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video, and bye-bye.
Nothing like seeing fam on the way to my crib. 117 where I live. 2 minute walk from the crib to the hill. Right down the hill is fam on the way. Cat Friday at a fam on the way. Book Friday, all fam getting lit. Read the Bible and we bounce to the hill. Pass by John, get the light where it is. Bring the cable to